This is a biplane. Biplane is a flying machine with two wings stacked on top of each other, zooming high in the sky. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon is a colorful balloon that floats gently in the sky, carrying a basket with people. This is a train. Train is a long vehicle that runs on tracks, carrying people and goods from one place to another. This is a school bus. The school bus is a bright yellow bus that takes children safely to and from school every day. This is a city bus. A city bus is a large bus that takes many passengers around the city on daily routes. This is an ice cream truck. An ice cream truck is a special van that plays music and brings yummy ice creams to kids in the neighborhood. This is a car. Car is a small four-wheeled vehicle for families to travel around town. This is a taxi. Taxi is a car you can hire to take you wherever you want in the city. This is a pickup truck. A pickup truck is a vehicle with an open back for carrying tools, boxes, or even animals. This is a delivery truck. The delivery truck brings packages and gifts right to our doors. This is a dump truck. Dump truck is a big truck that carries sand, stones, or dirt and tips them out with its giant backbed. This is a timber truck. A timber truck is a heavy truck that transports long logs of wood from forests to factories. This is a monster truck. A monster truck is a giant truck with huge wheels that can crush cars and jump high in shows. This is an ambulance. An ambulance is a fast vehicle with flashing lights that help sick or injured people get to the hospital quickly. This is a tractor. A tractor is a strong farm vehicle that helps farmers plow fields and pull heavy loads. This is a bicycle. Bicycle is a two-wheeled ride you pedal with your feet. Fun and healthy for kids and adults. This is a scooter. Scooter is a light two-wheeler that's easy to ride for short trips around the city. This is a container ship. A container ship is a massive ship that carries huge boxes filled with goods across the ocean. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning with us. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.